Hi and good morning, I'm Alisara and today I want to present about PBE2 of HCI subject. First of all, let me introduce my team members. My team members consist of Muhammad Ifan Haikal, Muhammad Akil and Ashwin. So now, let's start the presentation. So first of all, let's look at the introduction. In this PBE2, we conduct heuristic evaluation on Logo Maker website. First, we review all the process like sign-in process, sign-up process, creating and editing process, and process downloading the logo. All this process we evaluated using the checklist we make. In the checklist include the heuristic evaluation, rating, and comments. Besides that, in Logo Maker website of each process have their own heuristic evaluation. Other than that, in a heuristic evaluation, usability expert review the site interface and compare it against accepted usability principles. The analysis result is in a list of potential usability issues. So next, let's look at sign-up process. So in sign-up process have 6 heuristic evaluation. The first one is match between system and real world. The website are using user language which is easy to understand. The second one is user control and freedom. User can undo or back at previous page by pressing the back symbol. The next one is consistency and standard. No need to wonder whether work, situation or action means the same thing in different contexts. Other than that, recognition rather than recall. There are no need to remember many information in the website. 5. Flexibility and efficiency of the use. It allows user to travel frequent action. The last one, aesthetic and minimalist design. The design is aesthetic and minimalist, and the dialog does not contain information that is evaluated or really needed. So, in sign-up process, we need to enter email and passwords to sign up the website account. So here is the checklist of sign-up process. The rating and the comments. User control and freedom need to include back button because user might just want to visit the website and not sign up. Flexibility and efficiency of the use are necessary during the past. Aesthetic and minimalist design. The design is aesthetic and minimalized. Help user recognition, diagnose and recover from error. There are no any help user recognition, diagnose and recover from error.
Okay, let's go to the sign-in process. Heuristic evaluation match between system and the real world. The website are using user language which is easy to understand. Second, use control and freedom. User can undo or back at previous page by pressing the back symbol. Consistency and standards. No need to wonder whether words, situation or action mean the same thing in different contexts. Number 4, recognition rather than recall. There are no need to remember many information. Aesthetic and minimalist design. The design aesthetic and minimalist and the table list does not contain information that is irrelevant or rarely needed. Go with the heuristic evaluation checklist. For web evaluation, there is a heuristic visible of the system status, rating 5, comment 0, matching between system and the real world, rating 5, user control freedom 1, comment need to include back button because user might just want to visit the website and not sign up, consistency and standard, rating 5, comment none, error preparation, rating 5, comment none, recognition rather than call, rating 5, comment nothing, Flexibility and efficient of use. Rating 1. Unnecessary during this phase. Aesthetic and minimalist design. Rating 4. Comment. The design is aesthetic and minimalistic. Help user recognize, and recover from errors. Rating 1. Comment. There are any help user recognize, recover from errors. Help and documentation. Rating 5. Comment no.
Okay, for the next one is creating and editing logo process. For heuristic evaluation, number 1, match between system and the real world. The website are using user language which is easy to understand. Number 2, user control and freedom. User can undo or back at previous page by pressing the back symbol. Number 3, consistency and standard. No need to wonder whether words, situation or action mean the same thing in different contexts. Number 4, recognition rather than recall. There are no need to remember many information. Number 5, flexibility and efficiency of the use. Allow users to tailor frequent actions. Number 6, aesthetic and minimalist design. The design is aesthetic and minimalist and the dialogues does not contain information that is irrelevant or rarely needed. Number 7, help and documentation. Logo maker can be used with no instructions, so it may be necessary to provide help and documentation. Number 8, error prevention. It's difficult to make errors because we can customize the logo as we want. Okay, search the title of the logo that user want. After that, it will appear a lot of template to user. Okay, heuristic evaluation checklist. Heuristic visibility of system status. Rating is 3. For match between system and the work, the rating is 4. And then the user control and freedom, the rating is 5 because user can edit the logo whatever they want. And then for consistency and standard, we rate 5 because it got a lot of logo template to use. Error prevention, we rate it 1. Then reconnection rather than recall, we rate 5. User can press the under button. Flexibility and efficiency of the use, we rate rating 5. User can edit the logo whatever we want. Then aesthetic and minimalist design, the rating is 5 because the design is aesthetic and minimalist. Then help user recognize, diagnose and recover from error. We rate 5. And then last one, help and documentation. We rate 5 because it got a lot of logo template to use.
So as for the last one is the downloading logo process. The heuristic evaluation that can be identified in this process are the match between system and the real world. When the logo is saved, it is shown in the text that the logo has been saved. The second one is the user control and freedom. User can undo or back at previous page by pressing the back symbol. The third one is the consistency and standards. No need to wonder whether words, situations, or actions mean the same thing in different contexts. The fourth one is the recognition rather than recall. There are no need to remember many information. The fifth is the flexibility and efficiency of the use. Allow users to tailor frequent actions. The sixth is the aesthetic and minimalist design. The design is aesthetic and minimalist, and the dialogue does not contain information that is irrelevant or rarely need. And the last one is the error prevention. It's difficult to make errors because we just save the logo. As you can see here, we need to press save logo to save the logo. Please make sure. The heuristic evaluation checklist. The visibility of system status. It's shown the text when the logo is saved. The consistency and standards. It's shown the text when the logo is saved. The flexibility and efficiency of the use. It is easy to be saved. Aesthetic and minimalist design. The design is aesthetic and minimalist. That's all from us. Thank you.